lively crowd of dedicated SB19 fans gathered early this morning outside Tono Izakaya, a popular Japanese eatery in Singapore. In anticipation of the much-anticipated SB19 busking performance, fans started arriving hours before the scheduled event, eager to catch a glimpse of their favorite idols. Curious onlookers passing by the venue couldn't help but ask about the gathering. Some fans shared their excitement, saying they traveled from different parts of the world just to be part of this special day. One onlooker even took a photo with a standee of SB19 that was set up at the venue.
Baka kasi nakahala sila. Malapit na naman kasi mura naman. Mahal